welcome to another video of Success Resources Ventures. Today I'm so excited that I'm going to summarize a book, Think and Grow Rich, one of the best international bestseller. This book is really very great in terms of, regardless of whatever you like to achieve in your life, whether to build property portfolio, build a big business, or any other thing that you like to achieve in your life. This book knowledge really helps you a lot. That's why the name suggests, Think and Grow Rich, because that's what it does. In this book, they summarize like how to be successful. And the great thing in this book is because it has a combined knowledge of some of the greatest mindset from 20th century, including
John D. Rockefeller, who was the richest man the world has ever seen, Andrew Carnegie, the biggest steel tycoon of his times and second only to Rockefeller in terms of wealth, Henry Ford, the founder of Ford Motor Company, Thomas Edison, the inventor of light bulb and holder of over 2,000 patents.
Principle of this book has the core key factors that helps you to. In this book, they describe about two different sets of mindset: subconscious mind and the conscious mind. So the conscious mind is like a gardener and the subconscious mind is like the whole garden. It's big in size, but then it's need somebody to nurture that subconscious mind. So that's what the gardener's job is. Like that's what the conscious mind's job is, to basically feed this subconscious mind, and then you can achieve your goal much easier. So the 5 key principles that the book describes about is, number 1 is you got to have the clear purpose in your life. No matter how big the vehicle that you have got, whether this body as a vehicle or let's say you have a most fastest Ferrari, but if you don't have a clear purpose, or if you haven't got a clear navigation and the purpose in your life where to go and reach, then regardless of how fast or how super fast vehicle you're driving, you will not achieve your goal. The second powerful thing is, the second key factor is the auto-suggestion. And the auto-suggestion is like, self-programming yourself. It's like, affirmations. I've done another video on the wealth and abundance meditation. You can find under our meditation playlist or under this video somewhere. So I would suggest you can go through that one. When you start self-programming your mind, like keep giving the, auto-suggestions, what you want to achieve, keep repeating, that's help you to achieve those things faster, and that becomes a reality. And another important thing is, the third thing is the use of power of emotion. Like the first two, having a purpose or having a auto suggestion will not work unless you have this emotion, like your body, the whole, your physical body, the breath, your thought, everything goes in line. They say that emotion is the one of the most powerful muscle in your body. Many people that they do in their life is mainly because of the emotion factor. So feel as if, like once you achieve that goal that you have in your life, how would you feel? Like how will it look like? What it will feel? Because subconscious mind understand the message from a emotion rather than just the text message. Now the fourth point is visualization. Visualize not just like what you're looking to get, but visualize as if you've already got it. Imagine like you're planning as if that I want to have such thing by next year 31st December. Then visualize as if the time has come, you have achieved it, and how you're finding it. You celebrate as if like you have already got that. How would you feel to feel that way? And then when you will start doing that, one day it will actually form. And the fifth thing is persistency and repetition. So keep repeating until you really reach there. Keep repeating. It's not just like, it's not the garden that you put water one day and it will nurture. No, you got to keep watering it regularly in order to have the blossom garden one day. So keep doing it until you reach that. And one of the fifth thing, which is very important and that really puts all of this learning on a steroid, is burning your boat, which means you close your back door. You may have seen many times in our life when we find that there is no back door or there is no other option that we can do, or like there is no other thing that we can do. Only way is to go forward, do or die. Like you may have seen when such situation comes, that create that urgency, and then definitely you will achieve your goal, because of that sense of burning desire will help you to achieve that. That's why you will see many people who are too much comfortable. I mean, make a note of this thing. We would probably like to write it down, that unless the pain of where you are now is not great enough, you will not change. I repeat, unless the pain of where you are now is not great enough, you will not change. So wherever you are, basically you need to come out of that comfort zone. Burn that boat that you are in case if you feel that something is keeping you to comfort and within that box. Here are some of the tips, like what they have discussed in this Think and Grow Rich, which is one of my favorite book. You may probably like to read the whole. And I've done basically couple of other videos like wealth and abundance meditation. You probably would like to practice that on regular basis. You'll find that one on our channel under the meditation channel, or I might probably leave a link somewhere here. And also I've done another video which is Gupta success process. I might probably leave a link somewhere so you can how you can implement the Gupta formula for success in your life. So thank you for listening. I hope you've liked this video. So please do share this video with your friends, family, and anyone that you know. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. I'll see you next time in the next video. Until then, stay safe, invest in education, invest like a pro. I love you all.